Green tea is a popular beverage known for its potential health benefits, many of which are attributed to its rich content of bioactive compounds, particularly catechins, such as EGCG, which is also known as epigallocatechin gallate. So these compounds have very potent antioxidant properties. And the reason antioxidants are important is because they help to neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and protecting cells from damage. So this is linked to a decreased risk of chronic diseases, including cancer and heart disease. Another way that green tea is beneficial is that it improves heart health. So regular consumption of green tea has been associated with improvements in cardiovascular health. Green tea can help lower levels of bad LDL cholesterol, reduce blood pressure, and improve blood vessel function. These effects contribute to a reduced risk of heart disease and stroke. Green tea is also beneficial for weight management. Green tea contains compounds that can boost metabolism and promote fat oxidation, including those catechins and caffeine. Some studies suggest that green tea extract can aid in weight loss and weight maintenance by increasing calorie expenditure and fat burning. However, these effects may vary among individuals. Green tea has been shown to improve cognitive function, so the bioactive compounds in green tea, particularly EGCG, may have neuroprotective effects. Regular consumption of green tea has been linked to improved cognitive function, memory, and reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. The exact mechanisms of this are still being studied. And the last health benefit we're going to talk about today for green tea is cancer prevention. So green tea's high content of those catechins, particularly EGCG, has been investigated for its potential anti-cancer properties. More research is needed in this area, but some studies suggest that the consumption of green tea may help to reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, such as breast, prostate, and colorectal cancer. The antioxidants in green tea can help inhibit the growth of cancer cells and promote apoptosis, which is cell death in cancerous cells. So now that we've finished the video, it's important to note that while green tea does offer these potential health benefits, the individual responses may vary, and the strength of these effects may depend on factors like the quality of the tea, the dose that's consumed, and an individual's overall diet and lifestyle. So green tea should be consumed as part of a balanced to maximize the health benefits, but it's also important to avoid excessive overconsumption, as excessive intake of caffeine from green tea can lead to potential adverse effects like sleep disturbances and digestive issues. So we have made it to the end of the video. If you've made it all the way to the end, leave a 100 emoji. If you have any questions about green tea, leave them in the comment section below. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.